Do you want to change display language of Office 365? Let's learn how to do it. If you want to use Microsoft 365 and use all of applications that are present in there, probably sooner or later you would like to switch the language of the Office 365 to another display language. Thankfully, Office 365 offers to do that based on configuration, and you will be able to do that just by 2 easy steps. If you would like this video, please leave the thumbs up, and if you want to get the notifications about the new videos, please subscribe. In your first step, the thing you need to do is to go to your account in the Office 365 and use your settings and privacy to change the display language. In this place, you can easily select the languages that are available and the switch display language of Office 365, like for Spanish. To be sure that all Office 365 applications will adapt to the new selected language, you need to also open the settings of your browser and in the section languages add the new language in here. And again, if you want to select the Spanish language, just add it to the list in your browser. Sometimes it could be required to delete or remove other languages presented here, and thanks to that kind of setup you will be able to switch your language for all Office 365 web-based applications to the preferable one. In the case of Microsoft Teams, you will need to do additional step to change the display language because this is not web-based application. In this case, go to settings and search for the language of the app. In this case, you can also search for the Spanish language in here and select that language as a display language for Microsoft Teams. In this case, one more thing which you need to do is to restart the application to load that kind of setting for the Microsoft Teams app. In the case of the Microsoft Outlook, you can also switch the language. To do that, go to Options, and in section Languages you have the possibility to add new languages. Remember that in such case you need to install that kind of language on your PC, set it as an Office Suite display language for your application. You can see switching the languages for the Office 365 and applications like Teams and Outlook is super simple, so if you need that, follow that tutorial. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.